Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's July the 30th, 2022. We're going to talk about SOFI today and if a gap move is imminent. Yeah, can we see the market in SOFI break out to the upside, or can we see the market in SOFI break down to the downside? Welcome, everyone, to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I give you all the news according to the charts, because the price chart actually gives us the information that we need to know about where prices are trying to go. It doesn't require us trying to listen in on earnings calls or trying to see what the earnings reports are or what are the guidance that these Wall Street analysts are recommending. What are their price targets? Is it a buy or sell? What is the ratings that these analysts are trying to create? We don't have to do those things. All we have to do, I'm gonna give you all the clue right here. All you have to do is come in and look at the price chart. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So don't get bogged down into thinking that you got to do the fundamental analysis. You don't even have to do that everything money 8 pillars of success. Like, that's complete garbage. All you have to do is literally pay attention to the trades, to the buys and the sells. And the price chart is that collective feel of what everybody is doing for any particular type of instrument. It is not complicated. Let me show you all this. Welcome. Y'all want to join the team? Hit me up. I'm here. Hit the like button. Share the video and also subscribe here to the channel. I'm not going to give you no fear, no FUD, no FOMO, because I understand how this game is really being played against us. Now, July 14th was the last video that was conducted for SOFI. You guys can see it. My price prediction is still here, while everybody else on YouTube has completely squandered and stopped making their stock videos. I'm still here. Yes, I'm still here dropping these price predictions because I understand that even when the market is down 50, 60, 70, 80%, we can still profit from price movement. Now, it may not be, a 300, 600% run up, but we can still make money. That's the name of the game. It's to make money. That's what we do here. So look at this. Did a video right here on July the 14th in SOFI. I was looking for the price to go up, and check this out, right? 8 pillars of success can't give you this. 8 pillars cannot give you this. Dollar cost average cannot give you this. Discount cash flow model cannot give you this. I told you where I was looking for the market to turn, right here. So we was already in position to get that 17.98% way before the market in SOFI began to go down. Check that out. Like, that's powerful. If you understand when to get in and when to get out, you should be more consistently profitable than you are at losing. I got nothing but thousands of videos on my YouTube channel showing you all exactly how this is meant to be done. So congratulations to those who also saw the same thing. Let me go ahead and take that away, because I want us to focus in on this area right here. We got earnings coming up in SOFI right here on August the 2nd at the close of business. Now, so obviously, given that this is very important earnings season, a lot of people they're going to pay attention to SOFI. They're going to look at to see what occurred over the last quarter, right? Now, what this represents, right? What we've seen recently all the way coming up to the earnings is people trying to get prepared for it. They're trying to get positioned. So you guys can see right here that the market in SOFI really hasn't been moving, right? And I expect that to happen all the way into earnings. So after this particular day, August the 2nd, we will see volatility. Now, will it be a gap? Will we see the market break out? Will we see the market break down? Let's take a look at the chart, because it also gives us a little clue as to what the majority of the market is thinking. So this is SOFI right here on the 2-day basis. Now, what I'm going to do here, seeing that the market in SOFI was able to successfully break outside of my horizontal line, right? We are now seeing the market kind of trade above it just a little bit. That's a massive indication to tell us that the market is getting prepared to possibly see the market break up or break out. All right, let me just say that. So what I want to do, just to give us a little bit more cushion, I need to move my horizontal line. I need to bring this down right here. Okay, right around here. So this is where our attention is going to be leading up until the earnings report. Okay. Now, this is where I'm at. Okay. Now on earnings, could we see the market possibly come all the way back down here? Yes. Okay. We can see this. I can also give you that. So I'm actually showing you all where I suspect the market and SOFI to come on any negative news. All right. So where the market closed on Friday, let's say it comes down to here. Okay, $6. That's what, 3.37% negativity. If it comes all the way down to $5.75, that's 8% down, right? I get it. Got to be prepared to take the risk. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the chart in SOFI on the 3-day, and you all can see that here on this 3-day price bar, right? Look at that one. That indicates that the market is still weak, right? You would expect that. You would expect that the following 3-day price bar market will continue to go down. You would expect that. But did that happen? Like, let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Did it happen? No, it didn't. The market is dropping clues to us to tell us what the majority of the people are doing. If the market did not go down following this weakness right here, if it didn't go down, then obviously it means that people were buying the market in SOFI. That was the majority of the trades. Somebody obviously knows something about SOFI. Take a look at this. Charts don't lie. People do. Look at this. Right? Now look at the volume. Okay, let's look at this volume in SOFI. Let's take a look, because on this particular 3-day price bar, the volume was lighter than this current last completed 3-day price bar. Isn't that odd? And this current 3-day price bar is a lot smaller in terms of the spread of the bar than the previous one. But more volume came in on this last 3-day price bar, and the market still didn't fall. That's a dead giveaway. That's a dead giveaway to tell us that buyers are in the market in SOFI. Are they getting prepared for this earnings release? Because somebody may they're getting in position to look for this market in SOFI to go up higher. 5-day chart. Take a look. Now, I'm a realist. We still got to be cautious, because there's still some weakness that is being visualized off of the 3-day and the 5-day chart. Let's not get it twisted. I'm not actually in position to say that this is a very strong bullish stock, because it's not. I mean, you guys can even see it right here on the weekly time frame that the market in SOFI still got some sellers mixed in. SOFI on the 2 weeks, right? This is the completed 2-weekly price bar, and we're still seeing weakness. Scary times. How would you play this? Because that's weakness. From a 2-weekly chart, we would have to expect price in SOFI to continue to move lower, basically off of that. 3 weeks. Okay. 5 weeks and the monthly time frame. Take a look. So if I were to put a condition on how the market in SOFI is acting right now, I would say that it's slightly bullish, but I'm not really looking for too much in terms of price movement, right? I really don't see that the market in SOFI wants to crash, that it wants to move substantially lower, but I'm also not looking for a market to break out, right? I'm not necessarily looking at that. Okay, now take a look at this on an hourly perspective. You guys can see how we can tell that the buyers came into the market. Look at all this volume that came in on this 3-hour bar, and the market is still trying to move up. So buyers are there. That's how you can tell whether or not the market is really trying to sell or the market is really trying to buy. So what I'm going to do, I'm still going to look for the price in SOFI to go up, but all of that is done within context. I don't want to tell you that I'm looking for the market to shoot up to $12 or, $10, nothing like that. But the strength is being seen on the chart. If I were to weigh it, I would say that the strength is probably 60% versus 40% for the weakness. Okay. The strength has it out a little bit slightly better than the weakness. So I'm going to continue to look forward to SOFI moving up. Now, I've already told you that if the market in SOFI was to go down, it needs to hold $6. Preferably, I would like for the market to hold $6 because it would tell me that the buyers are still interested in buying SOFI at that level. Now, if they don't, then I'm going to have to bring it down here to like $5.70. Okay. I'll be cool with it coming down here to $5.50 as well. So let me just put it down there to $5.50. Now, if we do see the price in SOFI come down to $5.50, then the market is going to take forever for it just to try to continue to go up. Don't expect no massive breakout to occur quickly. I don't expect that. Now, let me draw my price targets. You guys can see here that the last point of rejection occurred in SOFI around $7. There is a slight restriction area right here. So let me pinpoint this. I want to show you all this too, because the market can get hung up here. Okay, so be prepared for that. That's 4 3/4% market move higher. Be prepared for that. So let me go ahead and move this back up to my first price target, which is going to be around like $6.92, $6.95. I might just put it that high. I really don't see the market in SOFI really giving us a monumental movement higher. So let me just give you another one. $7.30. That's it. Okay. If I were to see a lot more strength on the weekly and the 3-week time frame, then I would be playing the market move a lot higher. But since it's not being revealed, we cannot act that way. We only act the way that the market is giving us. It tells us how we should be thinking. And right now I'm thinking this way. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your thoughts as to what you think the market in SOFI is going to do going forward. Are we going to see the price go up after earnings, or are we going to see the market go down? What do you think? Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.